Hi everyone, my name is Dimitar and I'm one of the founders of Enhance Auto. Today I'm here with you because we just reached a huge milestone. We got to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube and I would like to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. We never thought this could happen, but your love is tremendous and I don't have enough words to express my gratitude to you. Let me tell you how it all started. We launched Enhance about 3 years ago when we got this beautiful Model 3 Performance built in 2019 behind me, and we fell in love with the car. But right from the start we knew that something was missing. That's why we created the open glove box button. This is where it all started and this is how the idea of the sexy buttons came to life. As you might imagine, this car is very dear to our heart, so we would like to do something special with it, just to show it some love, because it got a lot of beating throughout the years with all the testing we have done with it. And this is where you come in. As always, we love to hear your feedback, so we would like to see what are your ideas, how we can refresh this Model 3. Let us know, should we wrap it, should we change its color, should we add a custom body kit, you name it. We will get the best ideas and we will try to make them happen. Have in mind that you have 1 week to put your comments in this video, because afterwards we will start building the car. We would like to show it on the Tesla Takeover event on 24th of May in beautiful Austria. Once again, thank you for the continuous support and thanks to our favorite car in the world for giving us this wonderful journey that we are on. See you soon.